Hi, boys and girls. It's Teacher Nikki and Roxy. And today we're going to talk about the letter R. R. We have our capital R and our lowercase r. And R says Roxy. Recess. I love going on the playground during recess. Recess. What else starts with R? Rain. Here's a picture of it raining. Rain. Raining. Raining. Do you like the rain? You have to put up an umbrella. It rains a lot here in Costa Rica during the rain season. How about this? Recycle. Recycle. This is a recycling bin. Sometimes we put glass or plastic or cardboard into the recycling bin. Recycle. What else, Rox? Oh, Roxy's favorite color, red. 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 I even have a picture of a red crayon. Red. What's your favorite color? I like yellow, but that starts with Y, not R. What else do we have? Oh, a big bag of rice. Rice. Here we eat a lot of rice and beans. Rice. Do you like to read? I love reading books. Read. Can you say read 2 times? Read. Read. Perfect. Oh, something I really like to do early in the morning. I get up and I go for a run. Run. Run, 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 run. Run. This picture needs to be colored in. Maybe you can draw a rainbow. Rainbow. A rainbow should be all different colors, like red and blue and orange and green. Maybe you can draw a rainbow later on. Another thing that starts with R, my super cool robot. Look at this robot. Robot. You can turn him on and zoom, zoom, zoom. Robot. Pretty cool. What else starts with R? We said rain, recess, rice, red, run, read. What else did we say? Rainbow. And don't forget Roxy. So maybe you can look around your house and find some things that are red and find some other things that start with R. Let me think. What starts with R? Anything red? I don't know. You're going to have to look, and maybe you can draw on a paper all the things that start with R. And don't forget to draw a really colorful rainbow. See you next time. Bye.